My favorite fidgets and my homemade. First are these two fidget squishies. Love them. Next is this zebra. This dog squishy. An Orby squishy. These two Rubik's. Next is this. I love this tin. Anyway, next up is this vanilla cone. This. These. This one. Two poops. This monster. Next are the homemade fidgets. Okay. A tangle. Oh, I have a couple more favorites out of these. This slime stress ball. This. Yeah, I love this. This, sorry if y'all can see my face, but this. That's all my favorites of that. This homemade tingle. Let's see what else. I'm sorry if y'all can hear the ticking. I really am. Trying to look for some fidgets. This. I have a couple more favorites. So let me find them. Oh, this Pop-It. I also have this Pop-It. A homemade red orange tingles. Love them. And that's all.